Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Ethan, on the channel, and today I want to talk about Atari stock and why it is the worst investment I ever made. Now, for those who don't know, about 4 weeks ago, I made a video talking about why I was buying into Atari, why I was investing in Atari stock. And people said I was crazy. People said that, stock's down, it's bad, stock, it's not making money, the company's losing money. And I just kind of ignored it. I was like, yeah, you know what? But they're Phoenix, I reckon they could make a massive comeback. Atari could make a massive, pool of cash from new games and watch them become profitable. And then, yeah, well, if you don't know, Atari's recently started crowdfunding via Republic a game pool so they can make more games. Now, obviously, a lot of YouTubers have had mixed feelings about this. Obviously, people like Ballistic Coffee Boy are against this idea, so are Atari Information Report and so many others, because, like I said, they want money up front. Money up front to see a game potentially be made. Now, I'm not against crowdfunding. I've crowdfunded stuff before. I've obviously used crowdfunding for stuff before. But I will say it's very disappointing seeing that Atari has to go down this route. And we all know that Atari probably has the money to do it without crowdfunding because of their CEO Ray Rosen, who has so much money. He's a multi-millionaire, He's got the money to do it. But I digress. And yeah, since I've bought Atari stock, the value of the stock has crashed 15%, which is quite a big oof. When you consider I have 6 stocks in my portfolio, 3 of them are down, and the other 2 are only down about 1%. That's a big yikes. That's a big yikes. 15%. Now, am I saying Atari is a bad company? No, I'm not saying there's nothing against Atari as a company or what they're doing when it comes to making games. I will say though that buying Atari right now, even if you're doing it for a meme, is something where you need to make sure you are ready to lose the money because the service, or I'll say service, the company is not in a good financial state. Like you can get the stock on stock market exchanges like trading 212 for like 15 pence a share. If you don't know how little 15 pence a share is, 15 pence a share, you need about 6 of them, not even 6. You need about 9 to make a pound. So yeah, that kind of says about how it'll. Now, do I think Atari stock will improve? I'm not entirely sure because Atari has obviously this Akara. They are going to do a financial report soon. Well, I say soon. Yeah, over the next few months, they'll probably have to come out with a new financial report for the quarter. But yeah, it's just to me, it's just sort of like, will we see Atari be able to rebound? Because for those who don't know, Atari's always had problems with value and stock and all that sort of stuff, and they've gone bankrupt multiple times in the past due to obviously the game's not selling or people not interested in what they're doing. And personally, I feel like Atari needs to figure out a way to make a hit indie game, a hit game that will capture the minds and capture the wallets of millions of gamers across the world. I'm talking games like akin to Shovel Knight or Cuphead or something like that that will win over so many people. But I don't see Atari doing it right now. I don't see Atari being in a position where they can do that because they are competing with so many other companies, and obviously we don't know about their full 2023 roadmap. We don't know what other games they've got coming out in this year besides Caverns of Mars Recharged, which comes out in a few days to be making this video. But yeah, it's just kind of scary. And the fact that Atari was once the industry founder, they were the big one. They were the one everyone was trying to be, and now they can't even remain profitable. It's just kind of scary. But yeah, if you want some investing advice, guys, don't buy Atari stock. I might know it might seem like a nice little thing, like you can jump on it really now, it's really cheap, and obviously in the future, if it rebounds, you'll be doing really well. But Atari stocks doesn't seem like it's going to rebound to me. So let me just say right now, I don't think it's worth the risk because it doesn't pay a dividend. It doesn't really seem that valuable anyway. I will say if you're going to invest in a stock, invest in something that's popular. Well, I say popular, something that's profitable, like a clothing brand or something like a media company, or to me logically a gaming company like Electronic Arts. Someone you'll be able to make some money back off of that purchase. Well, Atari to me is just kind of a dead stock. I'm still holding my shares. I'm still going to hold my shares. It's just I don't know if I'm going to continue investing in Atari. Anyway, guys, let me know your thoughts about it in the comments down below. If you want to make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, do all that stuff. I've been ETH. Let me know your thoughts on Atari in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.